Hi guys, Big A Brawlers here, and today I got 2 different Bakugans. I got one Bakugan Special Attack, New Generation Mantid, that here, and this is Bakugan Evolutions Starter Pack. It's Brawlers, that Ultra. Here uses Neon Trucks and Dragonoid involved. Get back here. Back in the Bakugan Fan Hub. Okay, so let's get open up this one. Okay, we have one Bakugan Battle Wedge on the blocks, one special attack card, one character card, and one gate card here. And Bakugan New Generation 3.0. We have a green Parkmore here. We have a 6. There's this 6 Bakugans here. Rule books here. And here. And there's chicklets. Chicklets up here. Oh. Whoa. Chicklets are here. Oh. Nano gun. I got Dragonoid. I got it. I got platinum. I got this diamonds one. I got it. I got this. Ready? I got it. Oh, I'll get this one. Oh, I'll get this for Prince. Dragonoid, a gold rare. Oh, I got these 1D guns, and I got the Ultras one here, and these 1 gate card here, and then 1 3 ability cards of monsters. Okay. Start the first up with Bakugan New Generation here. Alright, special attack Mantid is ready for spinning. Ready? Bakugan Brawl! Oh! Whoa! Okay, so here's our legs here. Legs are here. Come on, there we go. Here's the leg. Special attack. Here. Stuck. Head pieces. Up. There we go. I'll put here. And here. And claw, head, there's this feet, and their leg. They're here. So this is a special attack for Mantid for Bakugan. Alright, special attack transforms. Ready to roll. Ready? Oh, right. Ready? Whoa! The cards are really awesome. There's a head, claw, tail, head right here. Cool. Alright, Neon Trucks is ready to roll. Ready? Whoa! There's the claw, arms, here, his leg, tails, head. It's a really cool Bakugan, chaos, trucks, neon trucks. Alright, Ventus, Dragonite involved, was ready to roll. Ready? Let's try it again. Ready? We'll try to say. Whoa! Alright. So here it is. The Ventus Dragonite involved. It is a head, wings, head, arms, wings, legs, and tails are right here of a Bakugan new evolution. They're cool, awesome. So this is a Bakugan 3.0 new generation special attack Mantid and Bakugan evolutions starter pack from 2022. Cool. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Click here to watch the video game Brawlers unboxing and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click here to the bell. Thank you guys for watching guys. See you next time everybody. Bye.